If you all have been seeing any of my shorts this week, you probably know that I'm ready for fall. One thing to do at a time like this, make myself a PSL and start decorating for fall. In fact, I'm starting fall a month too late because in my book, August 1st is the start of fall. October 1st is the start of Halloween, and November 1st is Christmas. And that's generally how I like to live my life. So we're gonna go ahead and get caught up. However, I wanna do fall a little different. In the past, I've had the tendency to kind of go over the top when it comes to fall decorations or any holiday decorations really. So I'm going to try and just designate areas for decor to go versus just letting the decor throw up everywhere, which in the past I have done and has been a success and has looked really good. I mean, my Halloween door last year looked really good, but I'm growing, I'm mature, I'm a married woman, I'm a wife.
Honey, I'm home.
Hi, baby. I kind of want to, of course, keep the nostalgia of the holidays. And of course, I don't want to do something just because I want to be mature about it. I want to go ahead and incorporate more of who I am, what my lifestyle currently is versus what it used to be. And maybe you'll relate to this, maybe you won't. However, it is definitely too early for Halloween, and I stand by that. You may not decorate for Halloween any earlier than September 1st. Hey, baby.
Yeah.
Can you get the decoration boxes out?
Yeah.
You'll do that for me?
Yep.
You're the best. I love you.
I love you too.
We already had an error on set. We have some broken ornaments down here for Christmas. Our whole ornament box fell. I would like the record to state that my husband told me I had too much fall decor, that I needed to get rid of it and downsize. And we have all those boxes in the laundry room, and this is the only one that could possibly have fall decor in it. And I'm sitting here like, that's not a lot. And he's saying I shouldn't go fall decor shopping this year. But if anything, I feel like I probably got rid of everything because look, this is all I have. She says, no. We need more pumpkins. So when it comes to fall decor, I feel like we all have our different styles of what we like and what we don't like. And I feel like that is always one of my biggest struggles is I like so many different fall styles that I'm like, what do I want to decorate with? Tell me, what is your favorite fall style to decorate in? I'm gonna pop some options up on the screen. Make sure to let me know in the comments below which one you like the best. The first thing I would recommend doing is going ahead and sorting out all of your fall decor. Otherwise, you're not gonna really have an idea of what you have. You're gonna be moving stuff from room to room. So I just kind of like to sort and order my decor. It helps me figure out where I want it all to go. Some of this is Halloween. In fact, a lot of it looks like Halloween. Halloween. This looks like a lot of Halloween. No, it's supposed to be fall. Fall is not Halloween. No, that's not what I want to do. In fact, that's exactly what I said I didn't want to do. Halloween. Why don't you sort out the Halloween stuff? I'll get the fall stuff. It got tilted.
Are they alive though?
It's alive. This is my least favorite pumpkin because it just looks like an apple. Once everything is pulled out of the box, I try to sort it all by color or style. That way I can design a more cohesive look when I'm styling. But when I was doing this, I started to have the suspicion that some things may be missing. We found more. We got more pumpkins. This still isn't enough. We need more. Garland. No more pumpkins. We have plenty of pumpkins, okay? We should put the Halloween stuff, babe, in that box. Oh, and we found pillows. We need more.
You're caught red-handed.
Can you sit over there?
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the green.
These are some. Stay away. Stay away. You destroy all of these. You're the reason this is broken. Yeah, it's you. I know. These are all of my normal arrangements, and I want to go ahead and switch them out and make them more fall.
Let's go. It could all be worse. I could be.
My cat is literally rolling around in all the florals right now.
It's called jumping in a pile of leaves, Mom.
Jumping in a pile of leaves. I'm so sorry. I will not ruin her autumnal dreams. I'm going to start with the biggest vase. I'm also going to pull in some more of my neutrals so that I'm not upstanding, what's that called?
Staging.
I'm going to bring in a lot of my neutrals. That way I'm not upstaging the color that's going on in this vase. And then my more colorful florals, like these and the purple guys, I can put in the more neutral ones.
Time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me. cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
If I'm decorating and I decide that I need more diversity in the things I'm decorating with, I'll go back to my books and see if their covers match the theme I'm going for. Some people like to buy books just for how they look, but this way you can get brains and beauty from your library.
It's time to say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it out. It's your time. Oh, if you're on the bus, say yeah. If you're on the train, say yeah. If you gotta walk, say yeah. Everybody's going somewhere. Young or old, I really don't care. Life has never really been fair. So put your fist up in the air. Say yeah. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time to ride.
What are you doing?
You asked me what I would do. I'm showing you. Playing around, trying to give it variety. Now moving on to the bedroom, I want to make this super cozy and pretend that I'm not living in Florida for the fall. So we went to Target and we saw these pillows that we loved, but they were $30, and something about spending $30 on a singular pillow felt really wrong. But then I saved it to my favorites, then I got notified that they went on sale for 50% off. $15 for a throw pillow seems a little bit more reasonable. Also, they're very large, so let me show you. So like, pretty good, huh? Pretty good, huh? Okay, here's the vision. We have this here, right? A lot of people will do like Euro shams. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tell me this doesn't look so cozy. Tell me you don't want to lay up against this and just watch like Halloween movies and oh my god, when Christmas movie comes. Also, okay, this was a splurge, this blanket. I believe it's $30 at Target, but it's literally one of the softest blankets we own. And you wouldn't think so because it's a knitted blanket, but it's like stretchy soft. You've probably seen this blanket in my videos before. I'm pretty sure we got it last year and we use it all the time. Even when it's not fall, we still have this orange blanket in the middle of our pink and blue oasis. So if that doesn't tell you how much we love this blanket, I don't know what will.
If you don't have a reason, it's hard to make it all worthwhile. 'Cause what I've got surely makes the world go round.
I'm just gonna momentarily ignore the mess of pumpkins behind me, and I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up the couch and add a little fall flair by proudly putting out my cheetah print blanket. I know a lot of the more hip, popular content creators call it chuggy, but I can't subscribe to not liking things anymore because someone on the internet told me it's no longer trendy. I am still a cheetah girl stan. I wanna know if you guys are still a cheetah girl stan, who was your favorite cheetah girl? Tell me in the comments below. And I don't care if my blanket isn't trendy anymore. It's nostalgic for me at this point. Also, I went ahead and cleaned up my normal decor and put it back into these storage boxes so that during the holidays it's easier to switch everything back out. Now, I wanted to decorate this tray a little bit, but as you all will see, I really struggled to find something that worked. I'm not obsessed with how it turned out, but you know, she's cute enough to stay for at least the fall time.
I just wanna tell you that no,
my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you. No, no, no. Cause I love you, baby. No, 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 no. Can't let you go. Cause I love you, yeah. There was a time I didn't have romance, but after I met you, I felt it was my chance. But nobody tells me good things about you, baby. I'm gonna stay right here, and I don't mean maybe, yeah.
I made this wreath 4 or more years ago because it was definitely before pandemic, but I made this when I was living in my first ever apartment. It's completely dollar store. The only thing I've done is maybe re-glued things back on. I mean, some things are broken. And then I added this year just to fill in some of the holes where I have missing greenery. And then what I did last year is I went ahead and hung this in the center there as well. I'm gonna be honest, it's not normally my style, but I just feel like I have a really big connection to it. I don't wanna let it go because I put so many hours into it so long ago, so. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put this center here. Whoa, Miss Corey. Sit. Good girl, stay. She loves outside. She's like, no, you're not about to go outside without me. I'm actually gonna hang it like this. I'm gonna double hang it so that it hangs a little higher, but we can still see out our peak. How's it look? It looks gorgeous. I mean, it really looks DIY, but that's okay. Sometimes your home decor should look homey, okay?
What do you think, Corey? You happy we didn't leave without you?
No, we're not leaving without you. You're so codependent. You're so codependent. She doesn't know she's not a lap dog. Anyways, thank you so much for decorating with me, all. We have some beautiful spaces. Thank you to Chance for helping me out. Corey, you of course were an inspiration, but Bonnie was really the star today when he took a nap. But she'll come back out for Halloween, you know. That's more her speed. Thank you guys so much. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a like, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments. Tell me what your your fall decor style is. Here's some options on the screen. Let me know which one you like the best. You want to give me kisses? Your fall kisses? Or do you want to go back to the bed and cuddle in the bed?